Essential guide. Are electric toothbrushes better? 2 reasons you need to own one. If you are not using an electric toothbrush, you, my friend, are losing out. You need to get with the times. What's wrong with manual toothbrushes? There's nothing wrong, parse, with using regular brushes if you're completely broke, but they are lacking in a couple of aspects. Number 1, proper brushing technique is lost. I'm pretty sure you're aware of how you are brushing, and it isn't right. Brushing too harshly and using up and down motions will not give you the best clean. And there lies the problem. Brushing is something that in today's busy lifestyle is just another quick thing to do before getting to work or wherever you are rushing to. There's usually no thought put into it. You know that improper brushing technique can do more damage to your teeth as you'll be chipping away at your enamel too much. Also, your gums start to swell up and start bleeding if they're traumatized by harsh brushing. Number 2, the length of time you brush. See, this ties in with the first point about the busy, rushed lifestyle we are all in. About 90% of us don't brush for the recommended 2 minutes. And that is bad because we're not giving enough time for the toothpaste to work its magic, i.e. dispersing the fluoride evenly throughout the mouth. Most people brush for less than a minute, which can feel like an age when doing something mundane as brushing. Really, you need something with a timer or a buzzer, which lets you know when the 2 minutes is up. Enter electric toothbrushes, the solution to your teeth worries. First of all, it will solve the second problem that manual brushes have instantly, and that is they have a timer or sensor. Almost all electric brushes have a 2-minute built-in timer, and depending on the model you have, it will either vibrate in your hand or start beeping to let you know when time is up. And depending on the model you have, it will either vibrate in your hand or start beeping to let you know time is up. This means no matter what, you will always get your 2 minutes of thorough cleaning in, even if you're in a rush. This is one of the great things about electric toothbrushes. Another superior feature is technique is built into the brush. Electric toothbrushes, especially Oral-B brushes, come with oscillating technology, which does all the grunt work for you, giving you that deep teeth cleaning experience. The most common mistake people make is using electric toothbrushes like a normal one. All you need to do is simply place the brush head against each individual tooth for 2 to 3 seconds and let the sexy oscillation and pulsations do the rest. Your teeth will thank you for it. Don't get me wrong. Manual toothbrushes are still good if you're not good with technology or don't feel comfortable with an electric toothbrush, but you will need to know the proper technique, which is why we are giving away our free guide called the 5-Step Formula Oral Care Handbook. It will teach you the following: how to brush teeth properly as described by a qualified dentist, how to floss and use other products to your advantage, nutrition and how you can make your teeth and gums stronger, and much more. Get your free copy at www.teethmastery101.com/guide. If, however, you are interested in learning more about electric toothbrushes and their advanced features, then please visit www.bestoralbelectrictoothbrush.com. That's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.